This is a 2024 Harley Davidson Roadglide. This is the new redesigned Roadglide. Absolutely awesome bike. What really sets this Roadglide apart is the color scheme on it, which is vivid black with a factory black finish. And what that means is that the pipes are black, all the hardware is black, the bars, engine guards, front end. Really makes it a cool looking bike. It's redesigned for 24. It's a real nice seat, a lot more comfortable than the 23s. Redesigned Tank Dash, kind of an aircraft style fuel. Little different handlebars. The saddlebags, the shape of them has been changed a little bit by Harley Davidson for 24, but they still have the same capacity on them. Just a little more streamlined and sleek. The tail lights are integrated in. Has a completely different dash on it. Really big digital info screen. Has all the information you'll ever need to know about the bike, GPS, Bluetooth. There's a Harley Davidson Connect app you can download for free on your phone that'll Bluetooth directly into the bike, and then you can put your maps in it, your music, your contacts, all the information on your phone will actually integrate right into the system. And then it's all controlled by the hand controls here, or touchscreen. Now the front shark nose fairing has been redesigned, a little more aerodynamic, a little bit different windshield on it, bigger LED lights. What I really like about the Roadglides is the way they cut through the wind. Because it is a fixed fairing, you don't get any of the wind turbulence or input into the handlebars. It makes this bike very nimble, not having the big fairing hooked to the front forks and the handlebars. Out here in the Ozarks, where all the roads are pretty much hills and hollers and twisties, this bike will run with the sport bikes. Very nimble. Now this one has a few accessories that have been added to it. Some really nice black Harley adjustable highway pegs. And the stereo system, which is the Rockford Fosgate Harley setup, to where it's got speakers have been put into the lids with upgraded speakers. And then on the front fairing, the speakers have also been upgraded with Rockford Fosgate through Harley Davidson, and then a better amp. So you get really good music out of this bike. A lot better than the stock setup, which is a little pricey if you try to do it on your own. Has a nice radiator down the bottom, help cool that big 117 cubic inch engine. So you'll have plenty of horsepower and torque. This bike will get it. Whether you're ripping the twisties or cruising the bike night or going cross country, you'll have all the power and torque you'll ever need. Nice blacked out front forks. Just an awesome bike. I really like these new Roadglides. And I really like the 117. The 114 was a good engine. This one gives you just a little more punch. Of course, it has a security system, ABS brakes, security system, just a lot of good safety features to go along with all that power. Now this bike only has 2,543 miles on the odometer. So this bike is not even remotely broke in. The first service has been done on it. And the factory warranty is in effect until April of 2026. So you have no worries there. If you do happen to have a breakdown, just roll it into any Harley Davidson dealership and they'll take care of you. Now, if you're in the market for a new Roadglide, you've probably been down to the local Harley dealer and looked at a bike pretty close to this one without the accessories, and they're pretty proud of them price-wise. Save yourself thousands of dollars on this 24 Roadglide that has only 2,543 original miles. It's under factory warranty. It has some really nice accessories, a really good stereo upgrade. Now, we don't charge what I call the mystery fees here at Dream Cycles USA, so there's no surprises when you sit down to buy this beauty. There's no dock fees, title fees, prep fees, setup fees, freight fees, none of that hooey. It's just a good, honest price for a great, great looking bike. For purchase information, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. I can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you for watching our video.